How to connect Sonos speakers to your TV. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Sonos speakers to your TV step by step and in just a couple of minutes. Whether you have a beam, ARC, Ray or Play bar, this tutorial will help you get great sound from your TV through your Sonos speakers. Part 1. Using HDMI ARC and ARC cable. Method 1. Using HDMI ARC or eARC. If your Sonos speakers is a beam or ARC and your TV has an HDMI ARC port, this is the easiest method. Step 1. Plug the HDMI cable into the HDMI ARC port on your TV. Then, connect the other end to the Sonos HDMI port. On your TV, go to Sound Settings and select HDMI ARC or Receiver. Enable CAC if it's turned off. Open the Sonos app and complete the TV setup. The app will guide you. Part 2. Using optical cable. If your Sonos is a Ray, Play bar, or beam with an adapter, use this method. Step 1. Connect the optical cable from your TV's optical out to the Sonos input. Step 2. On your TV, change the audio output to optical or digital out. And then follow the setup process in the Sonos app. Part 3. AirPlay or Bluetooth. If you're using Apple devices, you can stream via AirPlay 2 to compatible Sonos speakers. Just tap the AirPlay icon on your iPhone or iPad and select your Sonos speaker. For Bluetooth, you need a Bluetooth transmitter, but this is only recommended if other options are not available. And that's it. That was a quick tutorial on how to connect your Sonos speakers to your TV using HDMI optical cable or even AirPlay. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.